Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off two-step verification on Roblox. It's a pretty simple process, so let's go through it step by step. As you can see, I am on my Roblox homepage. Now, if I want to turn off two-factor authentication, first, I click on the three-dot menu option. You can see many options. Just scroll down and you'll find the settings option. Click on it. Once you're in settings, you'll see several options. You just need to click on the second option, security. Now, under security, you can see two-step verification. Currently, my two-step verification is turned on and linked with my Gmail account. If I want to turn it off, I simply click on the green button to disable it. A dialog box will appear on the screen saying, if you turn off two-step verification, your account will be less secure and only your password will be needed for actions like logging in. Are you sure? I click on confirm. After that, Roblox will send me a code via Gmail. I'll enter the code and click on verify. And now, as you can see, my two-step verification has been successfully turned off. So, that's how you can turn off two-step verification or authentication on your Roblox account. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.